All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I finally get to show you my Bowers & Wilkins Pi7's in-ear true wireless earbuds. Now, the recording of this video, these are sold out. These cost $399. At least they're sold out directly from Bowers & Wilkins. There's a lot going on here. I like that these have 6 microphones for call quality and things like that. I've actually been using these. I've got them set up, I think this is going to be really nice. So 24-bit true wireless with Qualcomm aptX, that's nice. As soon as you pair these, or like when I pair them to the phone, you'll see a little pop-up at the bottom of the phone showing that it's active. And I'll show you the application in here, and then I'll tell you how they sound. Let me show you the application. I'll go ahead and take these out. And so you pay attention here, you'll see that once I get them out, and they recognize the phone, you'll see it pop up down there, connected to aptX active, noise earbuds. So I think that's pretty cool. So let me show you the application. You'll need to download the Bowers & Wilkins application. Pair them to your phone first, and then open the application and do the pairing. And when you're doing the application pairing, take them out of the case and place them on a table next to the device. So here is the application here. You can see I've got them charged up to 100 already. Again, I have been using these, but they came roughly 93 and 90. The case was at 65 or something like that, and the left was at 93, and the right was at 91 or something like that. But within 10 minutes, they're fully charged up to 100%. It was less, actually. I just wasn't monitoring. But here's the application. So this first one right here, as you can see, I have active noise canceling on, and I also have it set to auto to automatically increase or reduce levels of noise canceling based on the amount of ambient noise within my environment. And I like that. I've got the pass-through turned on. So on this first page here, so let's swipe. You can see it's connected to my V60 Think 5G. And you can see it also has these little soundscapes. So if you don't have any kind of music or anything like that, and you just want to listen to this, you can listen to all these things to help you go to sleep, like the sleep earbuds that I have. Oh, you'll follow up on those. So here is the wear sensor. It says your headphones will intelligently manage the power and playback based on whether they are on or off your head. That's really nice. So basically, if they sit here long enough, they're going to power themselves off. Software is up to date on the earphones, and the earbuds, and the case. I think that's pretty nice. And then I can name them and everything like that. So when you go back out of here like this and you go over here, it just shows your account and all that kind of stuff. So that is the gist of the application. That's it. Now, as far as the way they look, and also the controls on them are super easy. You do have to use like triple tap and single tap and things like that. But the left side, you long press, you get your active noise canceling on and off, and you long press for 1 second on the right side, and it'll give you your Google Voice Assistant. If you haven't paired to Android, I'm sure that'll be Siri if you haven't paired to an iPhone. And then you have a double tap for the next track and a triple tap for the previous track. All of this is in the instructions, and all this is when you first boot up the earbuds and you're going through the setup. And I think that's important. So 6 microphones for phone calls is absolutely nice. Now look at the quality of these earbuds here. They look and feel, because remember, I've been using these for a little bit now. They look and feel fantastic. they look really, really good, and they also feel really good. Now, I actually know someone who got these, and we got them at the same time, but he got his order before me. He got his order like really quick, yeah, he just got them really fast, and I didn't. And so I got mine last week, but I just hadn't had time to really get around to doing anything with them. But nonetheless, he already returned his. He didn't like the sound quality. And I personally love the sound quality. I think he was saying something about the tip. He needed to change it. These default tips for me actually work very well, so no problems with that. But again, I told him, I said, everybody's going to have a different experience when it comes to purchasing something. Everybody's going to have different ears, and tones are going to sound different to people. That's just how it is. So the earbuds, they feel good. They sound good so far. One comparison I wanted to make was with my Sony. You can see how small this case is compared to my Sony case. It's the same type of design, basically. Yeah, that's what it is. And then the Sonys are my go-tos for high quality sound. You know what I'm saying? This is just a go-to for me for high quality sound. And right now, it's too early to determine whether or not I'm going to say these sound as good as the Sonys. But folks, they do sound really good. In my humble experience, in my opinion, you know how many earphones I have. You know how many headphones I have. I have a ton of them. And my channel isn't based around audio stuff. I do all kinds of tech all across the board. But it just so happens that audio stuff is something that I just happen to do a lot of. So that's just what it is. So this is the case. And if you want to reset the earbuds or pair them, there's a little small button right on the inside there. 1 second for pairing, 5 seconds to factory reset. You can see all the little connectors in there for charging and everything like that. But this is a wireless charging case, and it is a smart case. So this is the back of them. So if you're going to do wireless charging, just make sure that LED strip is facing up when you put it down on your wireless charging pad. So, I think this is, these are going to be good for me. They sound really, really good. Now, whether they're worth $400, I have to let you determine that, because again, I'm being honest, I already know somebody who didn't like them and returned them, and immediately within 24 hours. Some people can tell, if they're gonna. I can tell if I'm gonna hate something in 24 hours or not. Sometimes, depending on what it is. But for earbuds, I got to give them a chance. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this is a big purchase, and so the Pi7s. They also have the Pi5s. Now, those are a little bit more affordable. They're only $250. But again, when I say only, don't take that as any kind of way. It's just that if you really like audio, $250 is not a lot from earbuds. I mean, because I have other earbuds that are very affordable, like these OnePlus buds, these Z buds. These things are $50, but they sound really, really good. However, they don't sound like these. So I like having active noise canceling. I like that I haven't had any connection issues. It's just nothing. They're aptX, and in the box I can actually pair up. I can plug. I like that they give you a 3.5 millimeter jack with a Type C, because you can plug it into here, then plug it into another source, and then listen to the earbuds that way. That is freaking crazy. That is just beautiful. So far, this is my first experience. And guys, let me tell you something. If you've been following me long enough, you know that I have Marshall. I got the Marshall 2s. I got Sony. It's like one of my top brands. Obviously, Bose. I'm a Bose person. That's my favorite brand for speakers and stuff like that. But for earbuds, I've never tried Bose. I couldn't find myself. I don't know. I like Bose, but I just never purchased any of their earbuds. But I have a lot of just an assortment of earbuds and headphones, and I like quality. And these feel good. They feel good in the ear. They look good. And right now, I'm not going to tell you they're worth $400 to me yet, because I always do a follow-up video. I use these exclusively for a week. And I do nothing but phone calls. I do everything from these. So that is how I do it. If you've seen my reviews on earbuds and stuff like that, I always wait a week to give you a follow-up. And then if they're really good, I'll probably give you another follow-up at some point or another. But we really can't tell, how something is if you do it so quickly. So with me, I do a 5 to 7 day follow-up. I'm only going to use these with the V60. and I'm just going to use them for phone calls, music, everything. I'm going to use these for everything. I like that when I take the earbud out of my ear, the music stops. The sound quality has lots of bass, the trebles, the mids, the highs, they're all there. But what I don't like is the graphic equalizer doesn't exist in the application, because other apps that I have, you have an application that you can adjust the equalizer and get really good sound out of them. But nonetheless, these Bowers and Wilkins, these i7s, Pi7s, sound fantastic, folks. They sound good so far for me, and I am digging them. I know they're very expensive. I'm not telling you to buy them. They're sold out anyway. So, you know, you can't buy them at this very moment. But well, if you want to get, I like to go to the source. So you can buy them elsewhere, I'm sure. I just prefer to go to the source. They have a 30-day return policy. And you guys know me, I don't like to do returns. So, but if they suck, you know what I mean? If in a week I start having problems and just things go wrong, I will tell you. So check the boxes. On the next video I do in the next 5 to 7 days, I'm gonna tell you about the battery. I'm gonna give you an extended conversation about the comfort and feel for long use, because I'm gonna use these for more than an hour in my ear. And because I do a lot of phone, sometimes I'll be on a phone call for like 2 hours, 3 hours. And I like to use earbuds so I can move around. So it's a matter of, you know, trying to do a review on earbuds. It's not hard at all. It's just you really just have to use them. And so I'm going to give you lots of information on the earbuds in my next video, which will be 5 to 7 days. Like I said, you leave questions down below right now, what you want to know about these, because I know if you're in the audio, you've heard of these and you knew they were coming out and you knew what they were releasing. If you didn't know, now you know. So I'm excited to finally show you that I had these. I posted some pictures online previously before this video, so I've had them for quite some time. I just hadn't had a chance to crack the seal. So hopefully you guys enjoy my first impressions and unboxing of these. And I'm telling you folks, I can't say for sure right now to tell you these are worth $400. And I'm not going to tell you to go out and buy these because listen, I understand $400 is a lot of money. But for where I sit, I have a lot of expensive earbuds. So $400 is like right in line and just a little bit more than I've spent in the past. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the Bowers and Wilkins Pi7s, man. Fun fact, when I first saw these, I was saying P17. You know, you probably look at that too and say P17. Doesn't that look like P17? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember, they have the Pi5s as well for $250 if you don't want to kick down $399. So I'll see you in the next video. Leave all your questions below and let me know what you think about the Pi7s. If you have these, definitely comment below. I gotta know how you feel about these. Take care.